What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So today we hosted a grinders only tournament, and it was told that the winner from the top two grinders will join the Rage family. So this is what went down. Stick till the end to find out who won.
Wow.
Wow, that's fault
Yeah,
happened.
Titan died like that first round. But Titan is pretty cracked. Like this, he wasn't playing that well, but otherwise he's pretty cracked.
It's a mistake.
No, but I like Mystic a lot. Mystic is actually goated.
Let's see how good friends.
Oh my
Oh.
Kinda lucky that round.
Got full marks.
Very good. Very good.
Wait, I want to find this kid. He's not that good.
Oh, Titan.
Huh? Wait, don't put that in the video.
Put it.
Don't.
Oh god, this kid dies to fault damage again.
Throwing a lot. Like if he doesn't throw that much, he's actually goated at the game.
See, the problem is like you just keep wasting mats in these kind of zones.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good shot. Is that like a storm?
Yeah,
That
he
is
died
kind
to fall
of
damage.
Wow.
He lost. To this drip
Oh, good see, good see. That's me. Nice goal, good see.
गान मार देगा भाई सबका ये तो.
Oh,
See, Venom was also playing. Like Venom could have played way better.
Dipsy's good.
Oh भाई aimbot.
3-0. Dripsy win the 3-0 actually.
Nitros.
Nitros.
Yeah, Nitros was coming, but Nitros was lagging. So like,
hyping guys. I'm telling you, me and Nitros and Warrior yesterday he was back okay. We got like a 17 killer game.
Me and Philly got 19 dot Valorant.
this guy Cheeky, he was playing on 60 FPS. He wasn't playing on his original setup, and he was still like pretty cracked.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? Okay, Cheeky versus Pulse. This is so good.
Pulse don't throw, okay.
So Pulse is on 240 Hz, 240 FPS or whatever, and Cheeky is on 60 Hz, 60 FPS.
Okay, Pulse big.
Oh.
Man, why you bullying?
Pulse don't win
Your
that.
keyboard sounds better.
Yeah, I know.
Goddamn.
Pulse is good actually. Look at this.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah, all of that
Oh
was
my
just
God.
very chill. Oh my god.
Sheesh.
Wait, watch this. I remember this clip. Watch this, guys. Watch this.
Wow.
Holy
Bro, Pulse throws so much.
He's just
Yeah,
like
exactly.
he does only edit so does not him.
Shut him down.
Okay, Pulse good one.
Mistake versus Dipsy.
I mean, Pulse also had to play one round less. I mean, other than like the
Yeah,
other.
Pulse has got Tremor like straight.
Yeah,
Dipsy was a mistake.
yeah, and mistake kept putting.
Pulse got finished.
Now that Dipsy was actually ending everyone.
He legit died to fall damage. All
The
three.
football. 3-0.
Okay, and this is the finals. Dipsy versus
He's
Pulse.
remoting, holy shit.
This. Oh.
The money was
How then?
okay.
See, look, Pulse was playing well. Pulse was playing well, but he was like throwing half of the time.
Yeah. But how does Pulse get 240 FPS on that?
How does Pulse what?
Optimize his PC.
i5 5th generation.
There's no need to talk about it.
Okay.
Ignore this. Are you dumb?
Storm holding is annoying. I get it, bro. I get it.
To watch. No, they were actually pretty close. Like, even though Pulse was throwing a lot, they were pretty close. If Pulse actually plays properly, like actually focuses on his aim, he'll be really good. And Pulse has bad game sense also. Like, he's building
Yeah.
into the shot.
Pulse did
Shut
really
up,
240
Mystic,
also.
bro. I'm not gonna appreciate. Bhai, mistake. Can you shut up?
यार it's not good.
हाँ यार वो रुक जा यार.
ते बंदी की आवाज हॉट होती है मम्मा.
हाँ.
नहीं फिफ्टी.
वो 4.
You can tell Pulse is trying.
Pulse is in game chat.
GG drip.
Never. Yeah.
Dripsy.
Welcome to Rage.
Welcome to Rage.
Welcome to Race. Let's go.
Then you wanna kick it like you Messi. Now you got it fucked up in